Hi friends, this is RP. So Friday trading, we done a decent pullback from the lower levels. So it's opened at almost flat and went down and closed 35 points positive. So now the market is in a consolidation stage, we can say. So lower level it is 16,200 and higher level 17,050. That is a broad range for Nifty for coming few days. The important levels we have to watch out is 16,800 on the upper side, which will act as a high resistance. If sustains above 16,800, this level, the gap may be closed. There is a huge gap from 17,050 to 16,800. If once the Nifty trades above this 16,800 or closed above 16,800, we can expect a rally up to 17,040 or 17,020 kind of levels. There 17,020, this is the hurdle. So this we can expect in the coming week or the next week before this expiry. And every day we are mentioning about one key level. That key level is now placed at 16,415. So if the Nifty closed below 16,415, then I will close my long positions. I'll enter into a short position with a hedging, right? So this is for Nifty, and we'll see the Bank Nifty also. So this is a Bank Nifty daily candlestick chart. If you see last trading day, it not sustained the higher levels. It slightly opened inside gap and filled the gap, went small upside and again closed below our key level. This is the most important, the key level. So it is not closed above my key level. If the price closed above 34,640, I'll go for a long entry on a positional basis with a hedge. Without hedging, I'm not going to trade. So the important is this 34 640. The day should close above this, then only we can enter a long position on a positional basis, aiming for a target of 36,000. So that is a simple plan. So now where we'll have a strong resistance for the Nifty. So 35,800 and 36,000. There is a 200-point zone here. So that zone will act as strong resistance for the Bank Nifty. So downside, there will be some drift we can expect because the wave formation, it drop and small pullback and again is it dropping. So if closed below this 34,200 kind of levels, then we can expect again it will fall below to 33,000 and 32,500 kind of levels. And we will see some data for small analysis. So this is the daily data for FII and DII. If you see the continuously, even the market is rising from last 3-4 days, the FIIs are selling and DIIs are buying. So that means the confidence of market is not there in the FII sector. So FIIs are continuously, they are selling every day. So last trading day also they sold about 2,263 crores and DIs are purchased about 1,686 crores. If you see the DIs are more sellers than DII buying, right? So we'll see the futures data also, how FIRs are doing. This is index futures data. If you see on the last trading day, they are net sellers in the index futures also. So they are in long about 98,871 contracts and they are sold about 1,29,000 contracts. So this is the last trading day. That means every day they are in the short in the index options also. Here also if you see the Bank Nifty also, FIRs are in sellers only. There's a minus 23,853 contracts they are sold net. So why they are selling and why they don't sell in a naked position? They will hedge with the options. So if you see here the option data, this is the last trading day. This is the calls open interest. This is the put open interest of FIIs. Okay, this is the total and this is the FII. FII, if you see the FII PCR 1.26, they are totally hedging their positions. So ultimately, our trading strategy should be if either you do a short position or a long position, hedging is must. If you see this, overall PCR is 0.9, but FII PCR is 1.26. You can understand how the market is moving, how they are playing in the market. So normally we'll see what FII is doing, what DA is doing, but what actually they are doing, that is the most important. What they are doing, either they are selling, okay, they are selling to the tune of 2000 crores, that is good. But where they are selling, what is the money? They are selling, either selling equity, they are selling futures, and how, if they are selling futures, how they are hedging. So these things we have to understand and we have to do according to our analysis, right? So next we'll see how we trade on Monday, Nifty futures and Bank Nifty futures intraday. So this is the my trade plan for 14th March 2022 Nifty futures. Simple trade. So these are the two levels. I'll draw two lines like this, 16,600 and 16,474. So this is a 5-minute chart. How I'll trade? So this is the 5-minute chart. So I'll draw these two lines. If the 5-minute candle closes above this level, I will buy and keeping a stop loss of 0.25%, and I will take out my profit at 50 to 60 points in Nifty futures. If the candle closes below 16,474, then I'll sell and I'll take out my profits for 50 to 60 points and keeping a stop loss of 0.25%. Simple trade plan. Every day I am drawing these two lines, and according to that intraday I am trading Nifty futures. I'll show the Bank Nifty futures levels also for Monday. So these are the levels for Monday trading Bank Nifty futures. If I if the 5-minute candle closes above 34,508, I'll go for a buy entry and keeping a stop loss of 0.25%, aiming for a target of 150 to 200 points. If 5 minutes candle closes below 34,246, then I'll sell and keeping a stop loss of 0.25% and aiming for a target of 150 to 200 points. The very simple trade plan for Bank Nifty futures on Monday. So now we'll see some stocks for momentum trading. So this is Balrampur Chini. This is a long entry probability is very high. We can buy this stock in a small retracement. So if you see the pattern wise, it tested two times this level, 450 and 460 kind of levels, and given two times rejection, and third time it surpassed this level. So there is a huge breakout with a volume and the momentum. So now this is the opportunity to go for a long entry around 470 or 472 kind of levels. Small retracement we can buy and keeping a stop loss below 450 and aim for a target of 500 to 550 in a couple of weeks. We can say about 2 to 3 weeks or 4 weeks time. We can expect 420 or 425 kind of levels. So there is a long opportunity in this stock, Balrampur Chini. So another stock also we'll see. So this is GNFC. If you see a decent breakout level is here around 590 kind of levels and moved very sharply for last couple of days is continuously, and last trading day you've seen a lot of uptick in this stock. So now we have to wait to correct this stock to the level of 645 to buy again. So that is our entry point where we have to enter a long position in GNFC. So watch these stocks and plan for good entry and make decent profits in the stock market. If you want to learn more in the stock market, how to trade, what are the levels, how to draw these levels, what everything you can learn very easily. So you can contact me through my WhatsApp number displayed on the this video. If you like this video, please share it to your friends. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll come up with the next video with two more stocks along with Nifty and Bank Nifty. Thank you.